here. All right, bye. That's my little sister, y'all.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. Cause I'm icy.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Trish. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thanks for stopping by, and please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button and hitting that bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And if not, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I am so excited. I finally collabed with my favorite YouTuber of all time, which is Bmarie, y'all. I'm so excited. She picked me and 4 other girls to do this collab with. And you know, I'm just really excited, and so I had to show out you guys. I had to, you know, I had to do a little something. So this is the look that I came up with. Right, this is the look I came up with. We wanted to go with something that was sultry and seductive and sexy. So this is what I wanted to do. I didn't want to do like the traditional like gray and black or like, you know, that gold and black. So I wanted to do something that was, you know, really sexy. So this is what I did. This is what I did, y'all. And of course I had to use some glitter. Had to use some glitter on top of it so that it can be really cute and dazzling. So yes, everything I use will be listed down in the description box. So make sure you check that out. Also be sure to follow me on all my social media so you guys are keeping up with me. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned in and keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.
Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. So the first palette I'm going to be using is my Morphe 12 NB palette, and I'm taking this light brown shade from that palette, and I'm going to be using it as my brow bone shade. Now I'm going into my Color Rain Vivid Pigments palette, and I'm taking this beautiful red shade called Sauce, and I'm going to be using that as my first crease shadow. Now I'm going to take this beautiful pink shade that's right underneath called Party Drip, and I'm going to be using it to blend out Sauce, that red shade that I had put down. And I'm just picking up some more of that pink, and I'm just using it to blend out that red some more. Now going into the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, I'm taking this shade called Shawada. It's a very like pigmented black, and I'm going in to deepen up that crease, and I'm really wanting to add that that smoky and seductive look. Not seductive, but that smoky and sultry effect to this look. And I'm just picking up some more of that red and some of that pink, and I'll be using that to blend out that black. Now I'm going to be taking this magenta shade from the Box of Crowns palette. But first I wanted to go back into that black and put some black at the ends of my cut crease, and then I'll be going in with magenta and packing that all over my lid. I did went ahead and cut my crease off camera, and I used my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1. Now I'm just taking a smaller brush, and I'm using that to like really pack it in at the top of the cut crease. Went ahead and did my liner off camera. I'm sorry. Now I'm picking up my Cake Your Face glitter in the color Candy Crush. It's this color called Candy Crush, and I'm just packing that glitter all over my lid. Y'all see how blingy that is? That glitter is so pretty. So pretty. Did my full face off camera and put on my lashes. And now I'm just going in with my gel liner from e.l.f. and I'm putting that in my waterline. Now I'm taking a little bit of the black shade, and I'm just smudging it on my bottom, well, my lower lash line, you guys. And I ended up putting some of that glitter on my inner tear duct. Taking the Sleek blush kit in the shade Pink Sprint, and I'm just taking this pink shade and I'm popping it on my cheek. Now I'm going to be spraying my face with my Morphe setting spray. The highlighter I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in the shade Riviera. You guys, this video got cut short. I lost the clip of me doing my lip application. I ended up using a Nicka K lip liner in the shade Dark Brown, and I went in with one of my MAC lipsticks in the shade Kinda Sexy, and that is it, you guys. Hope you guys like it. Everything I used will be listed down, and I'll see you guys in my next one.